Bangalore, Hyderabad, Pune, and Bhubaneswar are other cities where I am making train. Actually, based upon our skill set and the associated with orders in law, we are having to look at the organized education system and that has courses like RAG, HIPAA, and the advanced courses of orders in our weekend, in Chennai, Hyderabad, and Mumbai, we conduct programs in the various orders and so to say, all of the orders and courses in this weekend. So, let us come to our agenda. What is the role of Oracle in the industry and how the certification process will go and how the industry will see the certification. This is what our agenda is. To start with, because the industry is mainly dealing with Oracle. If you make the industry and the industry is getting, because Oracle is going to be very difficult to stand in the role. That's the reason all the industries, this information is provided by Oracle, and we also know that these are the places where Oracle is mainly used. See, to start with, to make a comment on the table, which are made 24 competition and institutions are not also runs the process the geology basis. Over 2000 governments are the whole run on Oracle. All basic agencies, companies, department of Homeland Security are not Oracle. Global factors, communication companies are not Oracle. So the opportunity, if you look at the any state, any MOD, Oracle, the opportunities are all Oracle state. That is what Oracle is so because the certification to that organic communication final aspect, that is the most preferred aspect of people who are managing out the whole use of Oracle. We know the systems of educational institutions worldwide and on Oracle. So this is what the Oracle opportunity is also. You have not seen all of the details on that exactly. The middle experience people or experienced people, how they are going to everything to Oracle domain. Because of the top roles, the person who done or who is completing Oracle certification or process Oracle skill set, these are the roles a person can play. You see, DBA, application developer, web developer, consultant, trainer, application specialist, enterprise solution developer, web administrator, data analyst, business intelligence, support engineer, system engineer, implementation specialist, data analyst. You take any role in IT industry, Oracle skill set are the most important aspects. So these are the roles a person can take in their either Oracle certification or process Oracle skill set. To go to a forward and putting in the first, this is the our last presentation is today. The direct certification is 10%, but the Oracle skill set 21,000 for the demand of Oracle skill set. You take any skill set of the language, always Oracle skill set is support across the industry. If you ask exactly what are the platforms in which Oracle resides, or so to say, I will show data administration 10% and 25% of Oracle skill set. These are the skill sets. These are the basic other skill sets required. Grid platform, that is meditate to get application cluster and you are going to have it, and 24/7 is the business requirement. You see, the data skills community to reach all industries which is required in today's market. Yes, Java, everything is required, data is the most required in IT market today. So to earn that skill set, we need better to do certification. That is what the control or the most important thing which is required to be a successful IT specialist. You see, what exactly is certification? That is, what is that IT management thing? If you have a certification along with your whatever degrees, whatever things that you possess, along with that, you have a certification. This is what IT managers or experience, improve efficiency. Actually, we certified professionals have more protocols. So that government for so these are to improve the efficiency contribution certification. The second one is employee retention. If a certified professional is the retention is more. That's what IT managers prefer. So what are the certifications available? One is Oracle certified associate. The second one is Oracle certified professional. You have Oracle certified master software. You can put that and exactly these are the things available as certification for persons to be able to do certification in Oracle. So this is the economic individual. If you are OPT or certified professional, this is the economic individual. 97% of OPT indicate as certification graduate and professionally. These are the Oracle information which is communicated also actually that 89% of OPT gain more confidence in their Oracle expertise. If you have certification, definitely the confidence level will increase. So what are the certifications available? There are three certifications as I said. One is OCA, Oracle certified associate. The second one is Oracle certified professional, and the third one is Oracle certified master. If you say that Oracle certified associate, definitely it's going to be for the specialists who need to have advantage that they are available after completing their graduation or engineering activities. Actually, the certification will help IT managers to make hiring decisions. Definitely, you have something, if suppose that the certification is allowed you on the interview, definitely the certification will help you to have a head of the people who are coming along with you. And OCD is the first step in professional career and development path. You have to think, yes, definitely that is going to help the body to get into a company, and definitely it will help you to have an idea of others who are not trusting that. OCD, yes, it is going to give clear indication to the hiring of people that you are a professional in Oracle and you have put that data certification and your skill set, and that is actually take a better path. If you have more skill set, the focus is on Oracle, the focus is mainly on Oracle, it will definitely help you to make a better position in any industry. If it is a position, it has not 4 years because there is master to be the last 4 years of minimum 4 years of experience as data administrator, and experience will help you to scale up in the IT industry along with